Here we are, Rico Soul Italia Eats, and what you're looking at here is a homemade guacamole dip with chips. This guacamole dip and chips was a real simple thing to throw together really quickly. It's easy, it's quick to put together, and most importantly, it is absolutely delicious. You can be versatile and use this guacamole dip with many different dishes. Here you see we used it with our Mexican lasagna. But in this video, we'll be showing you how we used it with our homemade tortilla chips. The guacamole dip will take about anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to put together, and the chips about 15 to 20 minutes. So it's real easy, it's real simple, it's real quick. And I can promise you, once you make this at home, you'll never go back to buying the store-bought stuff. So I urge you, give it a try. You won't be disappointed. But like I said, most importantly, it is delicious. So without further ado, let's get into our video. Bon appetit, peoples, and enjoy.
Corn tortillas, yellow. Corn tortillas, white. Triangles like this. Little triangles like such. Now we're just gonna lay these out. Got a little browner. I got tied up doing something. Got a little browner than what I would like. It's okay. They're all pretty dry. They feel really dry. So, all right, we're gonna throw these into the oil next. Yeah, they're pretty crispy right now. Here's the chips, nice golden brown color, and nice and crunchy as you can hear. Oh yeah.
That's it. Our chips are now done. Time to move on to start working on our guacamole dip. For starters, my wife is going to slice and dice half of a red onion. Next, I'm going to start to crush my red onions in my mortar bowl, but I'm not going to crush them completely. I still want a little crunch in my guacamole dip. Next, we're going to slice open our avocados, and then we'll add them to our mortar bowl that already has the red onions in it. It's now time to start adding our avocado into our mortar bowl with our red onions. We'll crush our avocados, but not all the way. We still want some chunks left in our guacamole dip.
Sea salt.
Now it's time to slice up some of our tomatoes. We'll only slice the sides of the tomatoes, and then we'll dice them up. We can't forget our lime. Let's now cut up 2 tablespoons worth of cilantro. Let's add our 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Let's add our diced tomatoes. Let's squirt it up with our half of lime.
Here's our homemade guac. Here we are, Rico Soup Tech Eats. Look what we have here. This is our homemade guac. homemade guacamole with our homemade chips, as well as our spiced up, our seasoned up refried beans, which are absolutely insane. Okay, we're gonna have these with our chips. And let me tell you something about this guacamole. Very easy, very simple to make. Will be great to serve during the Super Bowl. Very easy to put this together in 5 to 10 minutes. All right, very simple ingredients: avocado, tomatoes. You use red onions, some cilantro. Real simple, real easy to put together. And the chips are real easy and simple to put together as well. Sprinkled with a little Himalayan sea salt. And so this is a great idea for your Super Bowl. Follow the recipe to the T and enjoy. Bon appetit, peoples. And don't forget about the refried beans either. That recipe will be put out very shortly. Follow that recipe too, because it's amazing. Bon appetit, peoples, and enjoy.
Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification as well. Comments are encouraged, and thanks for watching.